let's look at number 3. Okay, rounding off to the nearest 100. Now it says express each of the following decimals correct to the nearest 100. So the first one is 4,547. Now the digit in the hundreds place is the 5. Okay, that's the digit in the hundreds place. Remember, this is ones. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Right, so the digit in the hundreds place is a 5. So we have to put our line, okay, to the right of that digit. Okay, or to the immediate right of that digit. Alright, between the 5 and the 4, then we're going to look at the 4. The 4 is less than 5. So we just keep the 4, 5 here, the 4, 5 there. And then the rest, we convert them to 0. Okay, since we don't have a decimal point, we just convert them to 0. So we get 4,500. You could also see it like this. 4,547 is between two multiples of 100. So it's between 4,500, which is 4,500, and 4,600. 4,600. These are the 200s that this number here falls between. But if you look closely, right, 4,547 is closer to 4,500 than it is to 4,600. So our answer would be approximately equal to 4,500. Okay, that's our answer there. Same thing for B. 7,952 is between 7,900 and 8,000. Alright, and then if you look carefully, you have 7,900 and 8,000. Right, for better understanding. And 7,952 is closer to 8,000 than it is to 7,900. Okay, because it already crossed 50. Okay, it already crossed 50 there. So our answer would be approximately equal to 8,000. Okay, and we could do it the other way. We could put our line between the 9 and the 5, because the 9 is in the hundreds place. The 5 is, well, it's 5, so you have to add a 1 to the 9, right? And 79 plus 1 is 80, right? 79 plus 1 is 80, which is the 80 we have here. And we convert the 5 and the 2 to zeros, which we have here, right? Which is approximately equal to 8,000. For C, we have 71,431.84. We're rounding off to the nearest 100. The digit in the hundreds place is 4. So our line have to go between the 4 and the 3. Okay, it's always to the right of the digit in whatever place you are rounding off to. Okay, so 3 is less than 5, and since it's less than 5, we keep the 741, okay, of the number, and then the 3 and the 1 here, okay, the 3 and the 1, the 3 here and the 1 here, we have to convert them to zeros. So 71400, and then the 0.84, which is a decimal part of the number, we have to drop. Okay, any digit that comes after the decimal point, right, when you're round enough, you drop them. Okay, once they come after the place you are round enough to, you have to drop them. So in that case, the decimal digits are after, to the right of the line that we have drawn, so we have to drop them. But since the 3 and the 1 comes before or to the left of the decimal point, we have to convert them to zeros. So we get 71,400 as our answer. D, we have 3,137. Okay, the digit in the hundreds place is 1, so our line have to go between the 1 and the 3, okay, which is to the right of the 1. The 3 is less than 5, so we just keep the 3 1, and then we convert the 3 and the 7 to zeros. Okay, so that would give us 3,100 as our answer, right? Approximately equal to 3,100.